very thankful to our Madam HOD, Michael Madam, and all the faculty of CSC for arranging this small talk on project and what is the necessity of doing this one, where it will be useful to you rather than institution. Is it okay audio? Irritate ಆಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. Hello. Okay, right. Okay. The reason behind doing this talk is, I know you all completed your ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಹಲೋ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್. The purpose of having this talk is, you have done the project in the final year. After that, what will you do? That project, and no one will be noticed in your project. After you are getting the signature from your guide, then you will get the signature from the HOD, then principal. After getting the degree, you will not open that at all. World will not knowing it, what is your project, what you have done. After 10 years also, you will not be knowing what is it, where you kept your report, no one will be knowing it. Hence, 1 minute, please, for all of you. So,
open the book, please note down. Open the book, please note down.
pretty good, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. It is not must. Finally, ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಫೀಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Reason why I am telling. ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ನಿಮಿಷ. Why I am telling this one is, when I completed my BA, I felt that I know everything. ಏನಾರ ಕೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. I used to tell like that. Once I did my master degree, I came to know that ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಅರ್ಧ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. PhD ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ as you go to higher and higher level, then we can see what you don't know, that you will understand after doing PhD only. Now you see, ask anybody, I know everything, you will tell. That is the attitude of anybody, including me. When I started my career now, number of subjects, what are the subjects you can teach? HOD has asked me, which are the subjects you can teach? I said in SSAT. When I started my career in the SSAT in the year 97, and I have given 25 subjects. You give any subject, I will teach. Now you see that I teach only 2 subjects. Because once you know that when you go to the higher and higher level, you know which are the domain you are expert, and other things you will feel that I ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಈಗ ನೀವು ಬೀನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬರೀರಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ನನಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ನನಗೂ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದು ನಿಮಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, quite natural. But when you go to higher and higher level, then you will become humble. ನೀವು PhD ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಗುವ, ನಾವು ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಯಾವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ
ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೆ ಎದುರು ಬರಬೇಡಿ.
Anyhow, that is no problem. You don't need to write anything. Just observe, carefully observe that. Okay. The reason why I am going for this talk and why you should convert your paper project into paper is, whatever you have taken the signature, whatever you have done in the final year, it should not go in the dustbin. It should be documented. After 25 years also, it should be recorded somewhere. It should be available for the worldwide. Whatever the project you have done at KIT will be available in worldwide, anywhere. Even in the interview also you can show that. That is the reason you convert your project into paper. Okay. First and foremost, what is the project? What is the project? upwards movement. First one, huh? Okay. What is the project? Project is, you know? What do you mean by that? Okay, tell you, observe here. What are the steps involved in that? I'll check it out.
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay. We have a system. Whatever may be the system. See, whatever the today's you gadget you are seeing it now, some or the other day they were the projects of the someday, for long back. For example, let us say you have car. The car once upon a time it was a project. Someone has done. See, prior to that, okay, that is, let us say, bike is also one system, let us say. So we have one system, let us say one bike is there. For that, we have some disadvantages in the existing system. So what are the disadvantages? What are the disadvantages? That means there is a problem in the system. For example, two-wheeler is there. We have disadvantage. What is that? When you let us say when you are riding that vehicle, we will have to during rain, during sun, during daytime. It is very difficult. Even wind, all those things are there. One thing. Second thing is what? We will have to keep the balance of the vehicle. And many of the disadvantages are. And at any time, at any given time, only two people can go. So now more than okay. Only two people can go. Some of the disadvantages. That is the problem. So we have one system. We have a problem in the system. To overcome that, we are going for what is known as what is that? Solution. That solution is your project. The solution is your project. That means we have a system, problem, solution. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಮೆನಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸರ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡುದು. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ. ಈಗ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. What was the problem with respect to that project? You go for the reverse engineering. So what are the earlier people, what they have done it? That what you have to check it out. And you refer on 10 papers, 10 or 20 papers. Then you will understand that there is a problem in this one. To overcome that, I did the project. So now we will have to do the reverse engineering. The research also they do the same thing only. PhD or MTech, wherever it is, they do this only. We have some system. To understand the system, we do the literature survey. From that, we understand that the reason. Okay, I'll come to that in the later stages. Literature survey, they do it. In the literature survey, they'll understand that there is a problem in the existing system. They may be compromising with that. Then to overcome that, we are going for the what is that solution. For example, two-wheeler is having some problem. 4 people cannot go at any time. Like that, we have so many reasons are there. Then what came? Car came, because to overcome the problem, now we can go 4 or 5 people. That is the project now. Project they have done car. Car is like, so we can put the air conditioning, AC also we can use. 4 or 5 people can, no need to have the balance, even ladies can drive easily. Like that we have so many advantage. And even night time also you can easily drive, lighting is very good. Okay. But in the existing system, so many problems are there. Now once again, now this is the project for the, what is that? Now we have done to overcome the problem of the existing one. We have done the project car. So now the car is having some problems. What are the problems? If you are going in a car, you have to overcome the traffic problems. Traffic will become more and more. Everybody is using car. Okay, and it consumes more power, more petrol. And at the same time, cost is also very high. And at the same time, what is that we have? Even though single person is going, but we have to use what is that? Unnecessarily we are wasting the fuel. To overcome this, we have so many, one more project will come. That is another one. So now this is, for the next project, this is the problem. Existing system, next they are going to give the solution. Next new project will come. That's why we have nowadays the small car has come, single, what is that, very small size car has come now. I think it is in the market, still it's not yet to come to the market in India, but it has come, small car has come. Now what was the problem? To overcome the existing road. That is, the existing car is of big size, Benz and all is very big size, other car, all high-end cars are of the very big size. To overcome that, you are going to do the project. One second, what that? You have to write this in. So it is consuming more petrol. Therefore, we have come for EV vehicles. EV vehicle, some problem is there. To overcome that, we have to do one more project. Like that, the projects are the evolution of the system, one by one. To overcome the problem of the earlier system, we are going for the project. That's what that we have a system, we have a problem in the system, and the solution is your project. So system, problem, solution. That's what you have to give it everywhere. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಹೋದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳೋದು. ಸೊ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ solution, how will you evaluate what is the project, and finally how will you going to evaluate it? That we are glad to compare with the earlier system. We'll come to know in the later stage. Let us go for one by one. What is the paper? Project, I think paper ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು sir? What is the paper and what it contains? One by one we shall do it. Okay, right. The first one, the paper contains these are the things. General, it's general. Small modifications may be there. Generally, first step was that abstract will be there. Abstract is nothing but gist of the paper or summary of the paper. ಆ ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. You no need to read whole paper. You refer 25 papers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು PhD ನಲ್ಲಿ 100 papers refer ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. 120, 130 papers ಇದಾವೆ. It is available in Google also. You can check it out. Okay, right? So my thesis also available in the Google. It is available. You can check with the Nanshoda this portal. It is available. Around more than 100 papers we have referred. Sir, 100 papers ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕುಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ರಾ ಸರ್? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಓದಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು. What we do is we read abstract. Particular